Now we are replacing the heat sealing molds. First, remove the water pipe. Then loosen the fixing screws on both sides. After loosening the screws on both sides, then directly remove the heat sealing lower mold. The lower one can be removed directly. Then directly install the another set of heat sealing molds. Then middle it and lock the screws on the both sides. After locking, then insert the two cooling water pipes. Then remember to lock the screws on both sides. Now the heat sealing lower mold is installed. Now let's remove the heat sealing upper mold. First, lower the lift. Just loosen the fixed screws on both sides. Insert the heat sealing upper mold. Then tighten the screws on both sides. Now the heat sealing upper mold is installed.